Lesson 28. English Conversation Practice. Story 4. The Monkey and Cats.
Hey, have you heard about that monkey, Milo, in the village?
Yeah, he's always up to something. What's he done now?
Well, he played a trick on the cats. Put shiny stuff near their spot and dropped fruits on them.
Seriously? What happened?
The cats got confused, and Milo was up in the tree laughing. They were not happy.
Classic Milo. But why did he do it?
He says he wanted to teach them about enjoying surprises in life.
That's one way to do it. What did the cats do?
At first, they were mad, but then Milo came down, said sorry, and suggested they all play together.
Play together? After all that?
Yeah. Surprisingly, it turned out to be a fun day. They chased each other, climbed trees, had a blast.
Well, Milo does have a point about enjoying life.
Exactly. Now Milo and the cats are like the best of friends.
Who would have thought? Milo, the monkey, teaching cats about fun.
Life's full of surprises, right?
True. Maybe we should take a lesson from Milo and enjoy the unexpected. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and support us.